أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. The other way to recite the Holy Quran more beautifully is tartil, like أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Dear brothers and sisters, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. It's me, Qari Faisal Shafiq, an awarded Quran reciter from Pakistan. Alhamdulillah, I am teaching the basic foundation of the Holy Quran, Quran reading, Quran memorization, Quran translation, and basic and advanced Tajweed courses, Islamic studies to the kids from last 12 years. Alhamdulillah, a lot of students finished with us, but today I am here to discuss with you when new students coming to join us, when they know about us, like we hired some awarded tutors in Qiraat, Alhamdulillah, for practice to become a good reciter. And when we test them, they say we already finished the Holy Quran, we already finished the Tajweed rules, but they cannot recite like that, like with tartil, with a hadar. If you want to become a good reciter, if you are worried about your kids' Islamic education or Quran recitation, then join us. We hired multilingual male and female Quran reciters who are awarded in Qiraat. Alhamdulillah. Inshallah, we will make practice with you, with your kids, and one day they will become a good reciter. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.